Backyardigans. Monster Halloween Party. A Lift the Flap story. It was Halloween night, and Tasha, the mad scientist, had a mission for her assistant, Austin. Find the Mummy King, the werewolf, and the vampire, she said. Give them these invitations and bring them back here. They'll be part of my maddest, most brilliant creation ever. Wahahaha! So Assistant Austin hurried off to the Mummy King's tomb. "Hello, Mummy King?" called Austin. "I just came to give you this invitation." But the Mummy King was afraid of Assistant Austin. He was hiding somewhere in the tomb. The Mummy King read the invitation and agreed to come back to the lab. "Now we need to find the werewolf," Assistant Austin explained. "Werewolf?" the Mummy King cried. "Yikes!" But the werewolf was just as afraid of the Mummy King as he was of her. She was hiding in her favorite hiding place. Assistant Austin convinced the werewolf that there was no reason to be afraid and gave her the invitation. Then they all headed to the vampire's castle. "Oh, monsters!" the vampire shrieked when he saw them. Then, quick as a wink, he turned into a bat. The Mummy King and the werewolf were so scared that they ran around looking for somewhere to hide. Austin gave the vampire the last invitation, and at last they all headed back to the mad scientist's mansion. But when they got there, everything was so dark, so quiet, so spooky. Where was the mad scientist? The mad scientist cackled. "Welcome to my party!" "A surprise Halloween party?" exclaimed Assistant Austin. "What a brilliant creation! Let's dance!" And so everyone danced the Mummy Mambo, the Werewolf Boogie, and the Vampire Twist. Happy Halloween, everyone! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more of the Backyardigans stories, check out my Backyardigans playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you all next time.